All right. In this task here, we're going to be looking at segment addition. The segment addition postulate tells us that if we have 2 points like A and C, and then a third point that's in between A and C, and in between means not just like somewhere in between, it means that like specifically on a straight line. So if I draw a straight line from A to C, B is somewhere on that line in between the 2 points. Okay? All right. So if B is between A and C, then AB plus BC equals AC, or the distance from A to B plus the distance from B to C is equal to the total distance. The 2 parts add up to the whole. We're going to use that to find out one of our unknown lengths. Let's take a look here. All right.
Daddy, there's a favor you can do.
All right. So here we have that AB plus BC equals AC. Now AB, we don't know that one, so we're just going to leave it as is. Plus BC, we got that as 10, equals AC, that's 16. Subtract 10 from both sides, and we get AB equals 6. All right. Let's take a look next door here. Here we have that KJ plus, I'm just kind of skip that first step there, JI, which is 2, equals KI, which is 10. Subtract 2 from each side, and when I get KJ equals 8. Notice that I'm not putting the little segment marker above them because I'm not talking about the segments themselves. I'm talking about their lengths, the distance between the 2 points. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at a couple more here. All right, so here we have LM, so what we're trying to find, plus MN, that's 7, equals LN, and that's 10. So we're going to subtract 7 from each side, and LM equals 3. Over here, we have NM plus ML, that's 2, equals NL, that's 13. Take 2 away from each side, and NM equals 11. Okay, moving on here, we have FE, 4, plus F, or ED, one we're trying to find, equals FD, and that's 15. Take away 4 from each side, and ED equals 11. Here we have AB plus BC, and that's 11, equals AC, that's 17. So let's see here, take away 11 from each side, and we get AB equals 6. All right, take a look at some more here. Okay, here we have HI, that's 4, plus IJ, don't know that one, equals HJ, that's 10, and we'll take 4 from each side to get IJ equals 6. Over here, we've got BC, that's 6, plus CD, don't know that, equals BD, BD, oh, which is 12. Take away 6 from each side, and we get CD equals 6. Okay, down here, we've got that UV, that's 7, plus VW, Volkswagen, equals UW, which is 12. Take 7 away from each side, and VW equals 5. Here, we've got that PQ, that's 4, plus QR, that's the one we're trying to find, equals PR, and that's 13. Take 4 from each side, and we get QR equals 9. All right, now down here, we've got DE, that's what we're trying to find, plus EF, that's 10, equals DF, and that's 13. Take 10 away from each side, and we get that DE equals 3. And over here, we've got KL plus LM, that's 9, equals KM, that's 19. We'll take 9 away from each side, and we got KL equals 10. Now, notice here that every time we set up these equations, we're always trying to find one of the parts. I don't know if it's always going to be that way or not. You know, we might at some time be trying to find the whole. In that case, we would know what the two parts were, and our unknown would be the sum of the two, and we would just add them together. So basically, you're just setting up an equation that says that the two parts, KL and LM, which is 9, add up to the whole, and that's KM of the 19. Okay? The two parts added up make the whole. And then you just solve that equation. All right, good luck.